Hello children, today we are going to have a talk about the cutting tools of our body. The most important cutting tools of our body, they are nothing but the teeth. So today's topic is Teeth Talk, chapter 2. So first we talk about functions of our teeth. What are the functions of the teeth? Teeth help in cutting the food. And next, whatever we eat, we first cut the food with our teeth. And next, for pronunciation, some words basically needs teeth for correct pronunciation. And appearance, if we have good teeth and in the correct order, then our face will also look good. But when we get teeth, because children are not born with the teeth, when we are born we don't have teeth. So we will learn when we get teeth and what are the teeth like that. So the teeth that starts from the age of 6 months. Basically the teeth starts coming from the 6 months of age. Means when we attain 6 months of age, the primary teeth or the milk teeth starts coming, and they continue till the age of 3 years. 10 and they are 20 in number. By the age of 3 years we have 20 teeth, and they are called primary teeth or the milk teeth. 10 in the upper jaw, 10 in the lower jaw. Okay, and you just have a look. By the age of 6 months we have lower teeth. First we get lower teeth, and gradually we get all the teeth, the 20 teeth, by the age we attain 33 months. See, eruption starts by the age of 6 to 10 months, and in the upper teeth starts at the age of 8 to 12 months, and it continues lateral incisors, canines, first molar, second molar, till the age we get 33 months, means around 3 years. And next, permanent teeth. So what are the two types of teeth? Primary or milk teeth and permanent teeth. Permanent teeth eruption is the process of tooth development. Permanent means they are permanent. If we lose this teeth, we don't get any tooth later. So by the age of approximately 7 years, the teeth starts falling down. I think now your teeth is going to fall down, and by the teeth starts falling down and the permanent teeth starts coming. These are the primary teeth. When you are at age 3 or 6 like that, you have these primary teeth, and they are 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw, you can see, and these are secondary teeth. Next, what are the parts of the teeth? Basically, teeth have two parts. It is divided into two. One is the crown and second is the root. You can see the division of a teeth. The upper one is the crown and the below part is the root. Before going to learn the parts, we will just have the gums, the gum line, teeth, tongue and lips. The pinkish color that you have is called the gum. And see now the parts of the root, the parts of the teeth. In the crown we have enamel and dentine, and in the root part we have pulp and bone and blood vessels. First look at the crown. It is the part of the teeth above the gum. Means the visible part of the teeth is called the crown, and it is covered by enamel, the hardest material. See the white color teeth are there, no? This is because of the best appearance is because of the enamel, and if we lose that enamel, the teeth will become like that. And next, dentine. The second part of the crown is the dentine. The layer below the enamel is called dentine. You can see the dentine that is present below the enamel, and it forms the bulk of the teeth. But enamel is the hardest part of the teeth, but dentine is not that hard as much as the enamel. Next part is the root. The thing that we can't see, means the teeth that is present inside the gums, that is hide inside the gums, is called the root. The parts that are present in the root are the pulp and blood vessels. Next we will learn the pulp. Pulp, the soft portion inside the dentine, is called the pulp. You can see the pulp here. It consists of blood vessels and nerves. The pulp helps in supplying the blood to the entire teeth. Next, coming to types of teeth. Basically, we have 4 types of teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Just we will have a look after all the 4 types of teeth. See the shape of the incisor, canine, premolars and molars. First, incisors. Incisor shape, they have flat crown. Now you have understood what the visible part of the teeth is called the crown, and it is flat in shape and it have a single root. They are help in cutting and biting of the food. Next are the canines. They have pointed crown with a single root, helps in holding and tearing the food. And next are the premolars. Premolars means the teeth that are present before the molars, and they have 2 ridges. Ridges means grooves, the gaps. One or 2 roots, and their main function is helpful in chewing and grinding. When we eat the food, we just take the food at the backside of our teeth to chew and grind, and it is done by premolars. And next, molars. They are the last teeth. Also have 2 or 3 ridges in crown and 2 or 3 roots. They also helpful in chewing and grinding of the food. And let's see where the premolar. See, incisors are present at the front part of our teeth, canines are present adjacent to them, and next premolars are present here, and the molars are the last teeth. Now you can see primary teeth are 20. In the primary teeth, we have 4 central incisors, 4 lateral incisors, 4 canines, 4 first molars, 4 second molars, means premolars and molars. Permanent teeth are 32, 16 in the upper part and 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. If you lose this teeth, you have to put an artificial teeth, so be careful. And next, coming to the oral care, means dental care. What we have to take care of our teeth to avoid dental caries, means decay and bad breath and dental disorders like the gum infections and all. We have to brush our teeth twice in a day, and regular dental checkup is mandatory, so that if there are any decay or any problem in our teeth, they can be rectified in the early stages itself. Do you know, children, that the teeth is the only part of the body that can't heal itself, so it is our duty to protect them properly. Keep smiling and show your whole teeth while smiling. Okay, take care of your teeth. Thank you.